In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set stop loss in a Tradovate chart. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to tradovate.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below. From here it's showing something like this where you'll be able to sign into your account, but you can also sign up to your account by clicking here to get a free trial. Once you've logged in, you'll need to select the trading mode, and you can either choose the live trading or the simulation if you have a demo account. From here you'll just need to click start trading, and then this page should be popping up. And here you'll need to go up to the left hand corner where it says trading up here, and from here you'll see this page right here where you can choose the symbol of futures that you want to trade or set a stop loss to. So let's choose 1, and then from here you'll need to choose the quantity that you want to buy. You can also select the price if you want to do that, and down here in order type you'll be able to set from limit to stop limit or stop loss. From here you'll also be able to see and choose the stop price. You can change the flags and a release date if you want to do that. Down here if you click send, the position will open, and you'll be able to see the position down here in orders. And when the position is filled, it will automatically go over to the positions. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!